Besides politics, religion and sex, there's nothing that people get more emotional about than money. My name is Sufi and this is my channel and my journey to financial independence. The aim of this channel is to broaden my understanding, and I'll be talking about how to get well informed and make the right decisions when it comes to long-term growth and income. As millennials, the odds are stacked against us. The Financial Times reported that the average pay rose by 2%. When you look at inflation, it rose by 3%. House prices increased between 2.6 and 4.3%, outstripping wage growth. At the end of the day, you can control your finances, but it's not about how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. As you acquire the tools, you can make amazing financial decisions in order to make sure that you have enough in order to be financially free. Getting the tools and acquiring those tools that you need to make those decisions is the key thing. The only way you can get comfortable is by taking financial responsibility yourself. My goal is to learn through these videos, and I welcome all the advice from the community who I've been following quite closely, who are way more smarter and more experienced than I am. So let's be smart, invest smart, hustle and invest. If you are intrigued, or if any of this resonates with you, I would love for you to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe below. Thank you guys. Bye.